Ready, guys?
Today.
Wow! And safe to park.
You're nearly at the bush.
Oh, well done. There we go. So this week we're partnering with Škoda to test drive the all-new Fabia, and I'm really looking forward to it because it's a great idea to take the whole week just to make sure it suits our family. We're a family of 4, to make sure we can get the children in and out. It's got enough boot space, everything that we need in a car. So I'm going to take you along for the week and show you exactly how we get on. So Georgie and I are just going to go and get a little cake and a cup of tea today because it is actually my birthday. Don't crash into anybody. We've just done the shopping, now we're just going to have a little warm up at home and then it'll be time to get little Henry. What colour? Henry, it's the same as your coat. I did a special thing on this computer and it let me lock all the children's doors and windows. So easy to park this car. It's a teeny little thing. Good morning. So we are heading out to the school run now. There is some weird weather phenomenon that is every time you do the school run, it will rain.
I can't see it.
Look! Secret umbrella! Push that button. Wow! You did it! I knew there was a reason I didn't do my hair this morning. So, is she your girlfriend now? Play it cool, dude. Just cash.
Mummy, the picture!
What picture? Oh, I know. It's telling me if I can park. I'm safe to park.
You're nearly at the bush.
Oh, well done. I don't know about you, I'm a busy parent. When I finally get the children out of the house, shoes on, get to the car, I can never find my keys. And this opens the door if it's locked, and also you can start the car without the keys, which is just insane. I just love that. That's probably my absolute favourite bit. Look at this, you can literally sync up your phone and it tells me like anything that goes on, like any text messages that come in, they show up on there, and then you can actually speak to them to reply.
You can speak to Hugh Jackman.
That would be nice.
Do you want to send it and change it?
Send!
Sending message.
This is amazing. So there we go, our week with the Fabia has come to a close and we are definitely going to be sad to say goodbye to this car. It's fitted in brilliantly with our family life. The boys, they absolutely loved having the reading lights at the back. They weren't too bright to disturb my vision when I was driving. There were just so many little touches to this car and it was really thoughtfully produced. I also have to say the infotainment system with the Škoda Connect was brilliant. So the car read my text messages to me. It allowed the children to choose songs when they wanted to choose them. I hope this video has helped if you are looking for a car for your family, and thank you so much for watching.